Hello and welcome to Contentrain's walkthrough video series. In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to complete the sign-up process. You can initiate your sign-up using your GitHub or Google accounts, and integration with a GitLab account will be coming soon. You can also sign up with your business or personal email through here. Just fill the form and check here to agree to our terms of service. When you click the sign up button, a verification email will be sent to your inbox, and once your email is verified, your sign up process will be complete. This step is needed only for manual registration by an email. Keep watching more videos on the basics of Contentrain.